Hi, my name is Miss.VivOoOoO and this is my educational channel. How are you? Today we will be making 2 Montessori games and recycling the cardboard. We will need a pair of scissors, cardboard or paperboard, glue, a ruler, a pen, and an eraser and colored pencils. Colorful picture the way we will cut equal rectangles, then draw one of them on the ruler frame and leave a border of 1 centimeter on each side. Then we begin to paste the rectangles together well. We draw squares on the rectangle and write numbers or letters inside, so that the child learns through the game. Then we glue on the back the colored picture well when the dryness of those squares dries. And so the game is ready and endowed with help that helps to think as it helps to learn letters and words. If this is the first time you see the channel, I ask you to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button, and also do not forget like and share if you like it. And now, the game is ready and it is good for us to explain the second game. Now the game is ready and is valid for children from 3 years to 7 years old. Now we will explain the second game, and it also needs cardboard or paperboard, scissors, glue, pencil, colored paper and cutter. First, we cut colored paper into geometric shapes so that the child learns shapes and colors, so the fastest way to learn is by playing. Now we will explain the second game, and it also needs cardboard or cardboard, scissors, glue, pencil, colored paper and cutter. First, we cut the colored paper into geometric shapes so that the child learns the shapes and colors. Then the fastest way to learn is by playing, as these games can be made with your child to enhance the relationship between you. The method. The way we draw a frame of just like in the previous game, and empty it. Then we draw on this rectangle equal squares also as well as the previous game. Then we paste the two rectangles together. Well, then we begin to paste the geometrical shapes randomly, well, even on the edges, and let it dry very well. Then after that, we re-empty the shapes, and so I was ready for the second game, through which the child learns colors and geometric shapes. The two toys we made from recycling of cardboard today develop the visual memory of the child and the intelligence in identifying shapes. I hope you liked the video. I will leave you watching the work stages and come back to you. This is the final form of the second game. I hope you liked the video. I hope you support me. The two toys we made from recycling of cardboard today develop the visual memory of the child and the intelligence in identifying shapes. I hope you liked the video today. We introduced 2 Montessori games of cardboard recycling. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and invite your friends and share like to encourage me to make more educational videos, and do not forget to activate the bell button to receive all new